Four rules. What is the first rule? A source file can have only one public class. That is first rule. Second rule. A source file can have any number of non-public classes. Okay. Third rule. If the source file contains public class, then file name must match with public class name. Then file name must match with public class name. Fourth rule. If the source file does not contain public class, then no naming restrictions to a file name. Okay, these four rules are there. Say declaration rules to a source file. These all I given last class. Declaration rules to a source file. For writing Java program, these rules are there. .java. Okay. Declaration rules to a source file. Source file nothing but .java file. For writing .java file only, these rules you have to follow. Okay. Say, suppose class A, class B, class C. Here file name d.java. Is it valid or not valid? It is valid. Okay, already written example also written, no need to write. Suppose public class A, class B. Now here file name a.java. Valid or not valid? Valid. It is valid. Suppose it is b.java. Is it valid? Not valid. Okay. Now public class A, public class B. Here file name a.java. Is it valid? Why it is not valid? Two public classes we cannot write in a one program. Okay. So public class, one class only in a one program. That is first rule. Second rule, any number of non-public classes we can write in a one program. That is second rule. In your program, public class is there. File name, public class name must be same. That is third rule. Suppose in your program, public class is not there. Then file name, any name you can write. No restrictions. Okay. These all rules last class I explained. Okay. Suppose class name, file name, if you write different, what will be happen? I'll explain. Suppose here you observe class demo. Like this we are writing. Now here I written this one demo.java. This is a written. We compiled this program. How we compiled? At the C drive, Java C demo.java. How we executed? Java demo. Like this we executed. Okay. Now listen with more concentration. It is important. Like this we compiled. Like this we executed. This is your seen last class. Okay. Now what I am doing, see, class name test. Okay. Class name test. File name sample. file name sample. Then how to compile this program? C. Here Java C sample.java. Okay. Java C sample.java. Here demo.java. Okay. Demo.java. This demo.java I used here. Okay. Here sample.java I used here. Listen. I'll give time for writing. Listen. Now, here file name demo.java. That is I used here. Java C demo.java. Here file name sample.java. That file name I used here. But here what will happen? Just observe. Here demo.java compiled. Then what is generated is demo.class generated. Demo.class generated. But here if we compile, here test.class generated, not sample.class. Here, what is happening? See here, this demo.class generated here. Okay. Here, this test.class generated here. Okay. Now, this demo.class I used here. Then how to run this program? Java test, not sample. Java test. Java test you have to run. So this class file we have to use. Clear? Write this one. These all very basics, don't neglect. Basics also important. Very basics also important. Don't neglect. Write this one. So if you write like this, see, file name, class name different is there. File name, class name same is there. How to run? I given. See here class name demo, here file name demo. Here class name demo, here file name demo. Okay. Here class name test, file name sample. You can write both are valid. Both are valid. It is also valid. It is also valid. Both are valid. But you have to take care. While compiling and executing, you have to take care. Write clearly. Write clearly. Is it over? Say your class name demo, your class name demo, your file name demo. Class name demo, file name demo. Okay. Then you can compile with file name javac demo.java. This demo.java we are compiling. But whenever you compile this demo.class file generated, not this demo.class file generated. This dot class file we are running here. Here sample.java, file name sample.java, class name test. Here how to compile javac sample.java. Here test.class file generated. Here also same concept. You observe here demo.class generated. Here test.class generated. That's what Java test. Suppose if I run Java sample, error, because sample.class is not there. Sample.class is not there. Okay. Suppose in a program 10 classes are there. Then 10.class file generated. But which class we have to use to execute? Whichever class contains main method, that class we have to use to execute. That notes I'll give. Note on. The Java compiler generates dot class file for every class in a source file. The Java compiler generates dot class file for every class in a source file. Source file nothing but .java file. The Java compiler generates dot class file for every class in a source file. The Java compiler generates dot class file for every class in a source file. So if 10 classes are there, 10 dot class file generated. If 20 classes are there, 20 dot class file generated. Next, a class that contains main method can only be used to execute the program. A class that contains main method can only be used to execute the program. So whichever class contains main method, that class only we can use it to execute the program. A class that contains main method can only be used to execute the program. The Java compiler generates dot class file for every class in a source file. Suppose in your program 10 classes are there. Then how many dot class file generated? 10 generated. Whichever class contains main method, that class only we can use to execute the program. Okay. That is also an example I'll give. Suppose you observe class A, class B, class C. Here main method is there. Suppose public static void main string args. Okay. Here say it is A class, B class, C class. A class, B class, C class. Here file name d.java. First, is it valid or not valid? It is valid. It's already valid. Okay, you can write. Then how to compile, how to execute. Now I'll show you here. Java C. How to compile? D.Java. Java C, D.Java. Okay. Say file name D.Java, file name D.Java. Here we have three classes: A class, B class, C class. Here main method. Okay. Then how to compile Java C D.Java. Like this you have to compile. This class file we use here. Then how many dot class file generated? 3 dot class file. A dot class, B dot class, C dot class. Then how to execute? Java C. Java C. Note on. Java C. If I run Java A, error comes. If I run Java A, error, because there is no main method. If I run Java B, error, because there is no main method. If I run Java C, executed output comes. If I run Java D, error, because there is no D dot class. So write this one. Online students, end of the session, I'll clarify your doubts. Listen the class, write the notes. Listen the class, write the notes. So dot class file is generated for every class. Whichever class contains main method, that class only we can use to execute the program. Okay. You can write main method in A class also, B class also. Here also main method, here also main method, here also main method you can write. Then all classes you can run. Possible. Like that also possible. Okay. Whichever class contains main method, that class only you can use to execute the program. Other classes we cannot run. So now in this program, see, file name what I given? D.Java. File name D.Java. So D.Java we are compiling. Here A class, B class, C class. These three dot class file generated. These three dot class file generated. Okay. Here A dot class. If you run, suppose if you run A dot class, error comes because there is no main method. If I run B, there is no main method, error comes. If I run Java C, valid because main method is there. Suppose if I run Java D, error comes because there is no D dot class. Clear? Say A dot class, B dot class, C dot class, 3 dot class file generated. Say whatever I given last class, those concepts only extended. Okay. The Java compiler generates dot class file for every class in a source file, .java file. A class that contains main method can only be used to execute the program. I'll show you once again how to run, how to compile. I'll show you. See, I'll open Notepad. Now I'll open Notepad. See, Notepad. If you open Notepad with run as administrator privileges, then anywhere you can save. Otherwise, some operating systems may not allow to save in C drive. Now, if you open with run as administrator, anywhere you can save. That is the reason. See, start button here, type Notepad here, right click, run as administrator. Then Notepad is going to be opened. Here you can write the program. See, class demo, open brace, close brace. Here, online students, end of the session, I'll clarify your doubts. 1 minute. Google Classroom link. Okay, that is end of the session. I'll give. No. Class name demo. Say class name, open brace, close brace. Class name, open brace, close brace. Here, without class, we cannot develop application. So class name, open brace, close brace. The last class also explained. Say, class is a keyword. Compulsory you have to write small letters. Class name. Each word first letter capital and no space between words, as well as Java identifier key rules you have to follow. After that, main method. Public, static, void, main. String, args. Here also, public, static, void, main. Public, static, void. These are keywords. Compulsory small letters. Main. It is a method name identifier. Second word onwards, first letter capital. And no space between words. String, args. Here, it is a class, library class. Here, array. Now, this program you written last class? You didn't write? Have written? Welcome program. Writing program, compiling, execution you written? No? Now, here, public, this all I didn't explain till I didn't explain. But every program we have to write this one. Say, without class, developing application is not possible. So, class name, open brace, close brace. Class is a keyword, compulsory small letters. And the class name identifier. Identifier rules you have to follow. Each word first letter is capital and no space between words. Okay. And open brace, close brace. Main method. Here also public, static, void. These all keywords. Compulsory as it is, small letters. It is main method, identifier. Second word onwards, first letter capital. It is library class. That's what is capital. It is array. What is array also not completed. These all later we will see. Present every day we'll write like this. This is today only not possible to learn. That later you have to learn. Okay. Now, system.out.println. Welcome. Like this. File, save. Now, wherever you want, you can save. Suppose C drive. Here, all files. Here, demo.java. I'm writing demo.java. Save. Demo.java already exists. Do you want to replace it? Yes. I saved. I replaced it. Again, I'll open CMD, command prompt. Right click. Run as administrator. Yes. Here, CD/. It comes to root. Then Java C, demo.java, compilation. Java demo, execution. Output, welcome. Now, like this only, you can write the programs, you can compile. Like this, you can compile. CLS, if you write, clear the screen. These are DOS operating system commands. CSC observe here. Program you can save anywhere. Suppose this program I'll save in D drive. File, save as. In my system D drive not there, E drive. In my system E drive is there, E drive I'll save. Say file name, I'll write demo.java. Okay, save. Now it is saved in E drive. Then Here, what you have to do is E colon, then it comes to E drive. Now compile javac demo.java. See, compiled Java demo executed. Okay. Like this, you can use Notepad. And as a beginner, don't use Eclipse. Don't use MyEclipse. Don't use NetBeans. Don't use IntelliJ as a beginner. Up to exception handling topic, don't use those all. If you want, you can use Edit Plus. Edit Plus is one more software. I'll show you. Suppose Edit Plus is one software is there. See, just here, Edit Plus download. If you type Edit Plus download. Now, Edit Plus free trial, download this one. Here, this one software is there. This is one software. Download Edit Plus 5.7 64-bit. This one you can use, but don't use Eclipse. Edit Plus, what will happen? Edit Plus, if you use, only alignments, colors, all those things appears in Edit Plus. Just observe. I'll show you. This software, you can download Edit Plus software. Okay. Now, how to use Edit Plus, you observe. Just after downloading, just a double click, next button. It is going to be installed. Edit Plus. Again, right click, run as administrator. See, it is free trial will be there 30 days. After 30 days also you can use. How? I'll show you here. You observe. Here already in my system, 30 days evaluation period has been expired. Okay. I agree, quit. I agree means you are going to buy. Quit means it is going to be closed. But don't close this one. Just keep it at side. You can work. Okay. Don't click quit. Don't click I agree. You can work with this one. It is possible. Don't click this one. Don't click this one. Just this dialog box, keep it at side. You can work with that one. File. See. Open. Here. File. New. Here Java. Here also. This is only generated automatically. This generated. But this one you can use, not a problem. Here class name demo. Okay. See here hello world is there. File, save. Where you want to save? C drive. Here file name demo. Save. Here replaced. Already exists. I replaced it. Now again compile at the command prompt only. Say command prompt. Here also configuration possible. You go for command prompt only. I'll explain further everything. Here cd / javac demo.java. Java demo. Say hello world. Now, here what's the difference you observe? Here, class. See, automatically open brace, close brace came. And also class colors you observe. Class blue color, demo black color. So keywords will get it blue color. Identifiers will get it black color. Literals will get it pink color. Like that, some colors will be changed. Now here, public, see, static, see, void, main, string. It is red color, predefined class, args. So like this. Like this, here colorful appears. And also one benefit, these tabs no need to write. Automatically tab alignment comes. Tab alignment comes. If you want, you can use this one, but don't use Eclipse. Okay. Now here you can write. You observe. It is a keyword. It is a keyword. It is a keyword. It is a keyword. All keywords in blue color. It is identifier. 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 Black color. Red color. Library classes. Literals. Pink color. Like that comes automatically. And also here alignments. This proper alignment automatically adjusted. This is you can use if you want. But don't use Eclipse, don't use Edit Plus, don't use NetBeans, don't use IntelliJ. So many IDs are there. If you use that ID is maximum code generated by system. Here only this is generated. This is also you can file new at the time only generated. If you open file, open means you have tried. Okay. This is a program. See, file, save. Here. Now compilation, execution, like this. Okay. Now this program, see, now what I'll do, you observe. Now what I'll do, you observe. Edit plus I'll open. Here, edit plus app, right click, run as administrator, click yes button. After getting this dialog box, keep it at side. This is starting 30 days, you can click. After 30 days, I'm saying this one. Okay. After 30 days, keep it at side. File, already executed a program. If you want to open, location, C drive, type demo.java. This is, otherwise here demo.java will be there. Say demo.java. This file, you can open. Now whatever I written, open. Here, you already studied code snippets. You can execute here. See, byte A equal to 5, byte B equal to 3, byte C equal to A plus B, system.out.println C. Is it valid? Now A which type? Byte type. B which type? Byte plus byte, integer. If you assign to byte, error comes. Like this, you can check now. See, open the command prompt, right click, run as administrator. Here, cd/javac demo.java. You'll get it error. See, incompatible types into to byte. A plus B result is integer. Integer assigned to byte. We got error. Then, if I write like this, is it valid? Is it valid? No. Again, A is a byte converted to byte. But byte plus byte integer, again same error comes. File, save. Again same error comes. javac demo.java. Okay, incompatible types. Now, is it valid? Is it valid? Yes. Result of A plus B converted to byte. File, save. Compilation, execution. Okay, 5 plus 3, 8. Suppose instead of converting here, like this, can I write? Now byte plus byte integer assigned to integer, valid. File, save. Compilation, execution. Okay, like this. Now, what are the code snippets you studied? Those all code snippets. What you do? Write in the main method. That main method write in the class. Like that, you practice now. But what is class? What is main method? I'll explain. Everything I'll cover. Don't worry about subject. But starting only, these all not possible to understand. Okay. This is actually one understanding what is class only, 2 classes required. For understanding public only, 1 class required. For understanding static also 1 class required. For understanding this methods, 3-4 classes required. Like that, subject will be there further. At the time, you will get it. Okay. Present, we are using string. We are using system. These 2 library classes. These 2 classes available in java.lang package. But that package, no need to import. Just write this one. In the above example already written, last class written. In the above example, string and system are predefined classes. In the above example, string and system are predefined classes. In the above example, string and system are predefined classes. In the above example, string and system are predefined classes. These classes are in java.lang package. In the above example, string and system are predefined classes. These classes are in java.lang package. These classes are in java.lang package. In the above example, string and system are predefined classes. These classes are in java.lang package. Java.lang is a default package and it is implicitly imported in every Java program. Java.lang is a default package and it is implicitly imported in every Java program. That's what no need to import. Java.lang is a default package and it is implicitly imported in every Java program. So in our program, every day string class required, system class required. Present string class, system class, we are not using. That is usage later we'll see. Just a string and system every day we are writing. These two available in java.lang package. Java.lang package. But lang package, default package, no need to import by us. It is automatically imported. Okay. In every program imported automatically. No need to import by us. Okay. See, in C language, every day you are writing like this. Hash include stdio.h. Every day you are writing. But in Java, it is a everyday required, but no need to write. It is required, but no need to write. Reason by default imported. So this is no need to worry. This package, no need to write by us. Now, in this program, you observe whatever I taught. These are code snippets. Now every day you write this common code. Okay, class name, open brace, close brace. Class is a keyword. Write small letters only. Class name is each word first letter capital, no space between words, as well as identifier rules. Public static void, all keywords. Write small letters. Main method, as it is write it. It is second word onwards, first letter capital. So string is a class, yes capital. Aux is a object reference, that is you'll study understand later. Array reference, like this small letters. Here system.out.println. Here also system is a class. That's what S capital. Now here welcome. Like this are written. Now just this is welcome program. In the place of welcome, whatever you studied code snippets, you write and you practice. Okay. I'll ask some questions. Give me answer. Say byte A equal to 5. Character B equal to capital A. Integer C equal to A plus B. System dot out dot println C. Is it valid or not valid? Valid. A which type? Byte type. B which type? Character type. Byte plus character which type? Int type. Assigned to which type? Valid. So here what is output comes? What is output? We are printing C. C nothing but integer type. So 65 plus 5, 70. File, save. I'll run. Here compilation javac demo.java. Program successfully compiled. Java demo 70. Okay. Like this code snippets you can write. This type of code snippets, many code snippets you have seen. Okay. Now here little bit different I'll write. I'll show you. You observe. Byte short A equal to 130. Short A equal to 130. It is within a range only. See, I already told you byte A equal to 130. System dot out dot println A. What will happen? Error out of byte range. File save. If I compile, compilation time only error. See? So this code snippet is error. Write this one. It will not compile. This code snippet is an error. So byte A equal to 130. It is out of range. It's an error. Is it over? Now what I'll do, see, here, I'll write short. Is it valid? Valid. Now I'll assign to byte. Is it valid? Now A which type? Short type. B which type? Short assigned to which type? Short to integer comes under 19 conversion or 23 conversion? 23 conversion. It is an error. Already know. See, compilation. It's an error. Okay. This is error. But this error can be solved? Yes or no? Yes. How to solve? In the brackets, byte. But actually, in a byte 130, we cannot store, no? But now if you write like this, that is your mistake. You are converting. Then what will be happen in this case? Here, minus 128 to plus 127. This is a range. In this situation, it will rotate. Now, plus 128 converted to minus 128. Plus 129 converted to minus 127. Minus 127. 130 converted to minus 126. So you will get this output. This is your mistake. It is not possible, but you are trying to save. That's what output minus 126 comes. Now 1 minute. 130 coming. I am printing A, B. File, save. You observe compilation, success, execution, success. This is called your mistake. But here directly byte, if you write 130, error. But byte equal to you are converting. It is explicit conversion. No? That is the reason it is valid, but output is minus 126. Write this one. Byte range, this one. It will rotate like this. So minus 128. Now plus 128. Like a minus 128. plus 129 minus 127, 130 minus 126. Like that you are getting output. It will rotate. One 28 minus 128, 129 minus 127, 130 minus 126. That's what you are getting output minus 126. So this is you have to take care. Like if it is possible, you have to convert. Not possible, you should not convert like that. So, but directly if you write 130 for byte, error comes. But you are converting means it may be possible, it will understand. That's what is allowed. This is output minus 126 comes. Is it over? If out of range is there, directly if you write error, but if you convert, valid. This is you are converting. That's the reason error will not come. Wrong output comes. You will expect 130, you will get it minus 126. Okay. These all you have seen. You have seen identifiers, keywords, literals, data types, variables, type conversions, operations on data. These all you have seen. Next, operators. Note on. Next heading, operators. Note on. An operator is a special symbol that operates on data. An operator is a special symbol that operates on data. An operator is a special symbol that operates on data. An operator is a special symbol that operates on data. Say, if you write 5 plus 3, here plus is a special symbol. It is nothing but operator. It is operating on 5 and 3. So, an operator is a special symbol. This plus is a special symbol that operates on data. Here 5, 3 is a data. Now it is performing addition operation. Okay. This is operator. These operators divided into many categories. Next note. Operators are divided into the following categories. First one, arithmetic operators. Second one, relational operators. Third one, logical operators. Fourth one, increment and decrement operators. Fifth one, bitwise operators. Sixth one, assignment operators. Seventh one, conditional operators. Eighth one, other operators. Operators are divided into the following categories. arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, increment and decrement operators, bitwise operators, assignment operators, conditional operators, other operators. 8 categories. Operators are divided into the following categories: arithmetic, relational, logical, increment and decrement, bitwise, assignment, conditional, other operators. One category you will see arithmetic operators. These also very basics, but here also some logical part is there. I'll explain. Arithmetic operators. Here, operator meaning. So 8 categories of operators are there. 8 categories of operators: arithmetic, relational, logical, bitwise, increment and decrement, assignment, conditional, other. Other operators also many are there. Here, operator and meaning. First category, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modular division. Arithmetic operators: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modular division. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modular division. 5 operators in this category. See, these 5 operators very simple appears, but here also more than one operator if I use, that logic also required. Okay. Here also logical part is there. I'll explain. Is it over? See, suppose int A equal to 10. Okay. Int B equal to 5. Int A equal to 10. Int B equal to 5. Instead of writing 2 lines, you can write 1 line also with comma. Okay. Int A equal to 10, B equal to 5. Int C equal to A plus B. System.out.println C. Okay. Then 10 plus 5, 15, it comes. See, compilation, execution, 15. Now, here, if I write minus, you'll get a 5, 10 minus 5. If I write multiplication, 50. These are nothing. Now, division, modular division, some difference you see. A, modular division, B. See, system.out.println D. Here, 10. 10 division 5. So, divided by 5. Now, 5 to the 10. 5 to the 10. Remainder 0. Remainder 0. Remainder 0. Here, this division operator returns quotient. Modular division operator returns reminder. So here output is C value 2, D value 10, 0. So system.out.println C equal to A by B. A by B means it will take quotient. A modulo division B reminder. It returns quotient, it returns reminder. So you will get it 2, you will get it 0. Write this one. This is division, modulo division. So division operator returns quotient. Modulo division operator returns reminder. Okay. That's what you'll get it 2 here. You'll get a 0 here. So output 2 and 0. Okay. Is it completed? See, file, save. If I compile and execute, see 2 0. Suppose it is 7. It is 5. Then here what is output? 1. Here 2. Okay. So 7 divided by 5. So like this. 5 1 5. Remainder 2. Remainder 2. So this will returns quotient. This will returns remainder. So output is 1 2. Now file, save. Okay. Now this is no need to write, already written. Okay. See, one more example. Now see the confusion concept. Integer D equal to A multiplication B division C. Integer E equal to A division multiplications B. C. If I write, you observe, if I write like this, if it in mathematics, what will do? In mathematics, BODMAS rule is there. BODMAS. Okay, left to the right. First brackets. Okay, first brackets. Next of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So what you will do in this multiplication division? So first division only. So first this one, next this one. Like this will do. Here also first division, later multiplication. But in programming language, no BODMAS. Okay. Here another concept is there according to concept. That concept is called operator precedence. I'll show you. Next heading, note down. Operator precedence. Operator precedence. First listen, don't write. I'll give time for writing. Here, first of all, brackets. First of all, brackets executed. But brackets also, if many brackets are there, in a one expression only, if more than one bracket is there, left to right, whichever comes first. And left to right also, inner brackets, outer brackets are there. Innermost to outermost. So first inner brackets, next outer, like that. That too left to right. In the brackets also, precedence applicable. Multiplication, comma, division, comma, modulo division. These three equal priority. Multiplication, division, modulo division, equal priority. Whichever comes left side first, that will finish first. Left to right. After completion of these operators, then addition, subtraction. These also left to the right. Whichever comes first, that is first. Now, here multiplication, division, modulo division, equal priority. In these three, whichever comes first, that will finish first. Left to the right order. Okay? Write this one. Operator precedence. I'll explain one example. Next example, I'll ask question. You have to give answer. Okay? Over. Operator precedence. First category, brackets. First category, brackets. If brackets also, many brackets are there, left to the right. Left to the right, whichever comes first, that will finish first. In that brackets also, inner brackets are there. First priority inner. Innermost to the outermost. In that brackets also, more than one operator is there. Again, this is applicable. Multiplication, division, modulo division, these three having equal priority. Whichever comes first, that will finish first. Left to right. Addition, subtraction, after completion of these operators, this will applicable. Again, left to right. See. Now, in this expression, here, A star B by C. In this expression, brackets are not there. Second category. Multiplication, division, modulo division. We have. Okay. This is we have. But both are equal priority, no? Then left to right. Left to right means first A multiplication B. Next result division C. Suppose here A division B multiplication C. Here what will happen? Both are having equal priority. Left to right. First what will happen? Division. Next multiplication. But if it in mathematics, division only first. Here also in mathematics, division only first. But here, whichever comes first, that will finish first. That's what. Here, A star B, 7 into 5. 7 into 5, 35. 35 division 3. Okay. 3 into 11, 33. Now, remainder 2. But it is division. It returns quotient. This is the output. 11. First A by B. A by B means 7 by 5. 7 by 5. 7 by 5. 1. 1 into 3. 3. So this output 3 comes. So here this output what it comes? 11. This output 3. Okay, write this one. Is it over? So A star B by C. A star B by C. In this, brackets are not there. No brackets. Brackets are there. First priority brackets. Brackets are not there. Then what will happen? Operator, second category. Multiplication, division comes under second category. Left to right, whichever comes first, that will finish first. That's what A star B. A star B nothing but 7 into 5, 35. By C. C nothing but 3. 3 11 ja 33. Remainder 2. But it is division. Quotient. So 11. So 11 is output here. Here A by B star C. Here also no brackets. Left to right. Whichever comes first, that will finish first. Because second category operators. Now A by B. So A by B, 7 by 5, 1. 1 into 3, 3. So output 11 and 3. Okay. Now, file, save. If I compile and execute, output 11 and 3. Okay. Now, I'll give one more. You observe. Here, I'll write say A plus B by C. A plus B by C. Okay. After this, star D. Now, what is the output comes? Calculate and give me answer. Your answer can be right or wrong. Operator precedence already given. Operator precedence. Seeing this operator precedence, You can give answer. Now, A plus B by C multiplication D. What is the output? 9. Any other? All people answer same answer or any other answer? 7. 8. See, multiple answers started, no? But myself, I taught all people same. Now, only 3 operators I given. Tomorrow I'll give more operators. Then you will see 10 answers also comes. Give me your answers. 9, 8, 7. Other than these answers, other than these 3 is there, give me answer. Other than these 3. 9, 8, 7, okay. Your answer is there, okay. Your answer is not there, give me, I'll write. Option A, option B, option C. Next. If your answer is not there, give me, I'll write. 0. Next. None of the above I don't accept. Okay. None of the above I don't accept. You have to give answer. Calculate and give answer. 5. Any other? Don't guess. Calculate, give answer. Any other? 9, 8, 7, 0, 5. 5 answers came. How many people answer 9? Okay. Online students. Online students 9. 14 members. Next 8. Online students. Okay. Next 7. 1 person. 2 members. 2 members. Online students. Okay. 0. 0. 1 person selected, no? You selected 0, no? 1 person online 0. Okay. Next 6. 6 also selected someone. See in the majority, you change your answer. See. See. Here. A plus B by C multiplication D. Here any brackets are there? No brackets. Next second category. Multiplication, division, modulo division. So first what it works? Division. First B by C. Next multiplication. Next addition. Because addition third category. First multiplication, division, modulo division, highest priority. Next priority addition, subtraction. So first B by C. B by C means nothing but 5 by 3. 5 by 3, 1. 1 into 2. 2. 7 plus 2. 9. Output is 9. See. File. Save. Compilation. Execution. Say 9. Right is all. So A plus B by C modular multiplication D. In this, first B by C according to priority. Next, multiplication. Next, addition. A plus B by C multiplication D. Okay. So B by C, 5 by 3, 1. 1 into 2, 2. 7 plus 2, 9. Output 9. Now till I didn't include brackets. Brackets also I'll give. Outer bracket, inner bracket, and more than one bracket. Many operations I'll add. At that time also you have to give answer. So A plus, now in this expression, brackets are not there. Next, multiplication, division, modulo division. Multiplication, modulo division, modulo division, equal priority. So here, division, multiplication, equal priority, that to highest priority as compared to addition. That's what first multiplication, division. In that left to right. So this is first, this is second. After that addition. Is it over? So B by C, 5 by 3, 1. Multiplying with D, 1 into 2, 2. 2 plus A, 2 plus 7, 9. Okay. Remaining we'll see tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll explain many operators with brackets including. Okay. Tomorrow we'll see continuation.